Hey guys, and welcome back to Diamonds Hustle. Now, today I'm bringing you 5 remote opportunities that could actually be a perfect fit in exactly what you're looking for. Now, these roles cover everything from part-time to senior leadership roles, and I'll walk you through an overview, responsibilities, qualifications, pay, and as far as who these jobs are best suited for, really. Now, some quick strategies you can actually use to stand out when applying for these opportunities as well. So stick with me until the end so you don't miss out on what might be the perfect opportunity for you. So let's go ahead and start off with that first opportunity. All right, guys. So first, we're going to kick things off with this remote part-time opportunity that's perfect if you're looking for flexibility while still making an impact. Now, Omada Health is a digital health company that supports people managing chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and more. And here's where you can actually come in. They're hiring for a member support agent to be the first point of contact for their members. Now, some of the things that you're going to be doing is really think of this role as being the voice and the heart of the company. A typical day means logging in from your home office, taking incoming calls, and responding to emails. So, members might ask you about how to link their fitness device, whether their insurance will cover the program, or how to really navigate the mobile app. Now, you won't just read from a script, right? You'll be solving problems on the spot, making sure every member feels heard and supported. You'll also process manual applications, which means you'll double check details and matching coverage with accuracy. Now, why this role really matters is in healthcare, it's a confusing process and can discourage people from following through. By giving clear answers and walking members through their options, you're literally helping people take steps toward a healthier life. That's pretty meaningful. And I would say that's a meaningful way to spend your work hours as well. Now, as far as the qualifications for this opportunity is you need to bring to the table at least 2 years of customer service experience. If you work in a call center or remote support role, you'll be ahead of the curve. You'll also need to be comfortable juggling multiple systems, 4 or 5 at once, and that's a lot, like Zendesk, Salesforce, Service Cloud, Slack, and Google Suites. And beyond the tech, they want strong communication as well. So people who stay calm when a member is upset and who can actually explain complex things in a way that's simple and empathetic. Now, as far as the pay for this opportunity, it's pretty good. I would say 1667 and 1950 an hour with the chance for annual bonuses. And you'll also enjoy a remote first culture, generous vacation time, and stipends for your internet and phone bill. Now, this job is perfect for people who enjoy structure. If you thrive in a process driven environment, love solving problems, and want to be a part of the healthcare tech industry without needing a medical background, this is going to be a solid option. Now, some of the ways that you can actually land this opportunity and how you can get noticed is on your resume, highlight measurable success in customer service, like satisfaction scores, QA ratings, or awards. Show off your tech stack. So if you've used Zendesk or Salesforce, list it clearly. In interviews, be ready to role play a call where you walked a member through troubleshooting a mobile app. And since this role requires both independence and teamwork, share an example where you actually worked remotely but still stayed connected with your team. With that being said, if you got experience calming down upset customers and want to step into a higher stakes support role, then the next job could actually be a match for you. So let's go ahead and check that one out. All right, so Angie, right? The platform connecting homeowners with pros is looking for an escalations representative to handle their most sensitive cases. Now, some of the things that you're going to be doing in this opportunity is really picture this, right? A homeowner hires a pro for a renovative renovation through Angie, but something goes wrong. That complaint lands in your lap. So you'll be the one investigating the details, reviewing contracts, digging through past communications, and really deciding what's the best path to move forward. Now, your job really is to de escalate the situation with empathy, but also stay firm to company policies. You'll handle calls, executive inquiries, and even legal escalations as well. Every case you close reinforces trust in Angie's platform. Now, escalations are really make or break moments. One bad resolution can damage trust with both homeowners and service providers. You're the buffer that really protects relationships and the brand. Now, the qualifications for this opportunity is going to be 6+ months of customer service, experience handling escalation calls, and that is going to be non negotiable. Strong decision making and conflict resolution skills, familiar with CRM tools as well, like Salesforce and Google Suite, ability to keep cool under pressure as well. Now, as far as the pay, as you guys can see, it's about 25 an hour or 50 to 54K annually. Now, bonuses, equity, healthcare, PTO, pay holidays, 401K match, and even pet discounts are going to be included. Now, if you've ever been the go-to person for angry customers, this role really is for you. It's a step up from the standard customer service into a professional conflict resolution position. Now, ways that you can actually land this opportunity is highlight examples where you actually turned a negative experience around. Show you understand compliance and documentation. This role truly requires precision. And in the interview, expect scenario questions like, what would you do if a homeowner threatened legal action? Demonstrate emotional intelligence and really balancing empathy with policy enforcement as well. But maybe you prefer structured work in finance instead of conflict resolutions. If so, let's go ahead and look at this banking support role with a strong career growth potential that could be basically really for you. Let's check it out. Now, US Bank is hiring for a retail support advisor to really back up their branches. Now, some of the things that you're going to be doing in this role, instead of helping customers directly, you'll be helping the branch staff who actually serve the customers. So, a branch associate might call you if their system crashes, if they need clarity on a new policy, or if a customer issue requires approval while the manager is out. You'll provide guidance over the phone, email, or chat, and also maintain the internal knowledge base that really keeps the whole bank running smoothly. Now, when branches don't have quick support, customers feel it. Your work keeps frontline employees confident and efficient. Now, as far as the qualifications, a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, at least 1 year of retail banking experience as well, knowledge of banking policies, procedures, and products, and then strong communication, problem solving, and multitasking skills as well. Now, as far as the pay for this opportunity, you're looking at 22.50 to 30 per hour plus incentives, programs, healthcare, retirement plans, parental leave, adoption assistance, and up to 11 holidays as well. Now, this opportunity, I would say, is ideal for someone with a banking background who enjoys solving internal problems and ensuring operations run smoothly. Some of the ways you can actually land this opportunity is call out systems you've worked with and approvals you handled. Emphasize any experience writing or editing procedures. And in interviews, be ready to share situations where you actually balance complex compliance issues with customer satisfaction. Now, I will say, if banking isn't your lane, but communication is your strength, the next opportunity might just let you flex your writing and storytelling skills. So let's go ahead and check that one out. Now, Ancestry, known for family history and DNA services, is hiring a senior specialist in communications. Now, you'll be drafting press release, blog posts, and pitching story ideas to media outlets. You'll also help plan press events and work directly with reporters, editors, and influencers. And that sounds kind of fun. Now, one day you might be writing a cultural relevant blog post to make genealogy feel modern. The next, you're briefing leadership before a media interview. Now, Ancestry's mission is about connection and discovery. Your communication work really helps new audiences engage with family history in a meaningful way. Now, who you are is someone who has a bachelor's degree, at least 2 years of a PR or communications experience, strong writing, editing, and storytelling, organized, collaborative, and adaptable. And then the pay for this opportunity is 57,780 to 72,270 annually, plus bonus equity, healthcare, PTO, and parental leave. Now, this is going to be perfect for people who are interested in communications. They're a communication professional who really wants to blend media relations with meaningful storytelling in a fast paced environment. Now, some of the ways that you can actually land this opportunity is share writing samples or press coverage you've actually worked on. In interviews, pitch a fresh story idea that makes family history culturally relevant. Show you that you can actually juggle multiple projects while staying detailed oriented as well. Now, with that being said, finally, let's go ahead and finish with this senior leadership opportunity at a company nearly everyone uses. So let's go ahead and check that one out. I actually use this company on a daily. So let's check it out. All right, and last on the list is going to be with Zoom, and they're hiring for a customer advocacy lead. Now, really, this role is all about someone who's going to run its customer board programs. Now, this is going to be that leadership position where you'll design uh, advocacy strategies, manage advisory board meetings, and turn customer feedback into business insights. You'll also oversee testimonials, case studies, and customer stories as well. Now, it's a role that really connects you directly with C-level executives, both inside Zoom and among their clients. Now, this position, I would say, shapes brand loyalty, right? So the stories and insights you gather here can actually guide Zoom's strategy and product development. Now, what they're looking for is someone who has 12 plus years in customer marketing, experience running executive level programs, strong presence with C suite leaders, and project management skills as well. As you can see, 126,500 to 276,700 annually, plus bonuses, equity, and a comprehensive benefit package as well. Now, this is going to be for that senior professional who already led marketing programs, who really want to influence strategy at a global level. Some of the things that you can do to land this opportunity is showcase executive facing work that you've actually done or completed. Share metrics on how your programs increase loyalty, retention, or revenue. And then really prepare to discuss advocacy ROIs as well, not just activities, but really the outcomes as well. That way that you can actually showcase your skills and try to beat out all the other applicants as well. All right, guys, and there you have it. 5 real remote opportunities you can actually apply for right now. Now, they range from part-time, entry level to senior leadership. So no matter your background, really, there's an option here for everyone. Now, I would ask you, which one is calling your name? Drop it in the comments below and please let me know. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Diamonds Hustle, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on any of these work from home opportunities that I post every week. Now, I don't hire for these companies. I'm simply sharing the opportunities so you can actually check them out yourselves. Always apply through the official company website and do your own research before applying for these opportunities. And until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.